Hi guys, today we're at Wakefield Park Raceway with the track school team. So since last time we've just installed a new LSD in the car. Previous best was a 110, so today we're hoping to get sub 110s with the new LSD. Should give us a bit better traction out of the corners, yeah, hopefully we'll get a bit of grip out here. It's a nice day, it's a bit cooler, and there's a few of us E36 guys out here, so I'll get a bit of footage and let's see how we go. So let's go get it. Well, that's the day done. Blown tyre. And a blown turbo. But, UPB 107.7. Can't complain about that. Thanks for watching.